Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be printing a finger painter badge, and this is just the beginning, and I will show you the finished product at the end, so continue watching to see. It looks so good so far. I've got my palette ready, and I'm using Artist acrylic paint. And look how far it's gotten. It's a lot. Almost done. Look how big it is. 74%. Just remember to keep on watching. It's getting pretty dark outside too. This thing has been going for not long. It's only been printing for like an hour. You guys, look how my paintbrush is ready, and look how far it is gone. Wait until it gets a good angle. Oh, this huge box is blocking my way. Oh, did you see underneath it? Damn, not so much. So 87%, and I think I'm gonna start like mixing the colours and just squirting them out, you know, maybe soon. Okay, time to paint. It is all done. I'm all done painting, just have to let it dry, and like for part 2 if you want to see me like holding it and like seeing it dry.